create system and fix problems forever. I already made this video, was video about creating system, fixing problems, and I'm here to talk again about it. I made this video a few weeks ago, and now I'm better to talk further about it, and I improved on this knowledge. You need to create systems and formulas to don't put effort on do things anymore and do other things instead and fix your problems. How? I need to understand the probability. I will catch the formula. Someone made the formula, I only need to use it. I catch the formula, use it, and it's done. I need to make tests. Tests is a good example. I needed to create tests. I needed to create good tests so people don't copy and paste. And instead of creating tests manually and correct manually, I should create a system that create the tests and correct automatically. I'm thinking on it because in Brazil education we have the problem that people only copy and paste the tests and use ChatGPT to get the answers. And I'm thinking on create a system that create many tests and I don't know how, but create tests and you don't need a teacher to create the tests. The teacher will use this software to create tests, and the people will make the tests and they won't copy and paste because it will be impossible. I don't know how, but I'm thinking create it. Like they have a software that create 30 questions to 30 different tests to everyone in some class, and don't have it's 30 different tests, then the people can't okay, give me the answer. No, this won't happen because it's 30 different tests, and the answers will be will be created in some way that you can't get the answer easily on the internet and on AIs and the ChatGPT. To create it is you need the code. I think AI will be good. Then it's a more future project. Then it's a system that you create instead of put effort. Okay, I will make 30 different tests and create 30 different tests, study every time that I needed to create these tests. These tests I will put effort, I will spend days and days doing it. No, this is inefficient. This isn't efficient. Create a system, create a software, AI that, okay, I want to create a test about probability. This AI, the system created 30 different tests, and the answers is created in some way that the people can't copy and paste, and they only created 30 different tests that the people can't share the answer is good to make less people copy and paste, to reduce the percentage of people that copy and paste. Only make a system that create create 30 different tests and each one different, and the people can't shares the answer with themselves is good to reduce the percentage of people that only copy and paste. And this is a goal that the schools have, and is an offer that I can supply the demand if I create a system that make it happen. Then this is great system. You, instead of put effort that you couldn't do, you wouldn't do it. It's impossible a teacher make 30 different tests and each one different, and the only make is impossible with the time that the teacher have and the wage that then receive and make. Then create a system will make it more efficient. You will spend less time doing making the tests better, and the people will copy and paste less, and you will have more time to do your things, because the teacher will only put the okay. I think if the software is so good, the teacher will create the tests in less time than he used to create the tests manually. And the tests will be better, this will be more productive, and the teacher will have more time to thinking other things like, okay, how can I make a better class? How can I make a study more to give better classes, and thinking other things, because he fixed the problem that is making tests, and now he can thinking other things instead of the tests, and creating system and improving it, you can think in other things like, okay, I create a system to fix this problem, that is make tests. Then now I have more time, and I can use it time to thinking, create more system to fix other things, and have more time, be more productive, do more with less, and I will make it and only grow. This is the power of me create systems and fixing problems. And you create methods, systems that improve the things, and you have more time, more productive, and you can create more, and you will grow. Because of it, people have systems that have coding, that AIs that is growing so much, because I think this is algorithms. The things works based on algorithms, and you only need to understand these algorithms to create systems, AIs, functions to fix these algorithms, to solve, and it's done. I need to understand better about algorithms and how solve it. But I will think more deep on this project of make a system that make more tests and make the tests to the teachers, and may sell this software and create other startup than the other that I think that I thought. Then I have very ideas, and I needed to write these ideas and work on these ideas. And think on it. Create systems to fix your problems, and now you have more time, more productive, because the system is better than do manually, and now you can do other things. It's like the countries make like, okay, I had the problem that is the production of food, and now I created systems, I created the machines, the methods to create to make more corn, better corn, and now I can food my population. And now I think I don't need to think anymore in food because I created a system that creates to me food, and now I needed to think in other things because I fixed this problem with a system. This is an entire field of create systems, like you create companies, have systems, have logic methods, and these companies solve problems like I needed to extract the oil, then I created a system, engine that extract, and I don't need anymore to think on energy. Have a lot of systems, a lot of algorithms, methods, functions to solve your problems. This is an entire field, an entire topic, but I send the message, create systems to fix your problems. I hope you like it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.